Hello everyone, I am Cotey Speaks. This is Cotey Speaks Finance, and today I'm going to be showing you that you can become a future millionaire. If you're in the military, you should be a future millionaire. I'm not kidding. Their savings plan. Hopefully you've heard about it. If not, that's okay, because today I'm going to explain it. Their savings plan is a retirement plan for federal employees. In this video, I cannot tell you what to do with your funds, but I can just basically explain what I do with my funds and why I am on track to be a future millionaire. If you are active duty military, you already have a TSP account. All you have to do is contact TSP. They'll mail you some paperwork, and then you can get your account started where you can log in and edit it and make modifications. So let's go over my TSP plan. I have my money staged in the C fund. Why? Because that is smack dab in the middle of the lowest risk and the highest risk fund. So for me, that was the smartest investment choice that I can make at my current age. I will briefly show you the historical rate of return on the C fund.
Hello everyone, let's go check out the C fund. So this is the TSP Thrift Savings Plan site. It'll look like this. You go to investment funds and you go down to fund performance to learn more. Then on here you go over to summary of returns, and this will show the historical data for the funds, life cycle funds, etc. Now the stock market fluctuates, plain and simple. So yes, these percentages aren't going to be 100% accurate, but they give a good insight on the percentage of returns and rate of return for these funds. Now I chose the C fund because since inception, said date in '88, it's at 10%. So I feel most confident with this fund being smack dab in the middle of the least aggressive and most aggressive international, most aggressive funds. So that's why I have my money placed in the C fund.
Now, how in the world could all active duty military be millionaires? That doesn't make sense, right? It's absurd. It's honestly not, and I will show you.
So you want to be a millionaire? Well, on the TSP page, go to Planning and Tools. Then go down to how much will my savings grow? So, dependent upon when you're seeing this video, how much money you currently have in, this is going to see how much your money will be when you are able to withdraw it. So, I am in the Uniform Services Blended Retirement System. My existing account balance, this is how much I will have in TSP when I separate. And I will pull it as late as possible once they start forcing my withdrawals, which is around 71. So at this point, that's 47 years from now at 10%. And now you see that this is the amount of money that my TSP will grow to, $1 million. So this goes to show that as long as you have a price plan set out and you get your account balance to where you want it to be, to have your money where you want it to grow, you can be a millionaire through TSP. Now back to the video.
Now, before you start putting your money in a TSP, understand there's two different types of way to put your money in. There's traditional and there's Roth IRAs. A traditional IRA is untaxed when you put your money in, taxed when you pull it out. Roth is taxed when you put it in, untaxed when you pull it out. I use Roth because when I pull out my money, I want all that money to come to me. I don't want to have to worry about how much it would be after taxes. So, now that you know how much you need to put in your TSP to be a future millionaire, you need to do calculations on your own and see how much that you want to make in payments to TSP. Basically figure it out. What's your base pay? What percentage of your base pay each paycheck do you want to put into TSP? I personally put in 5% since Blended Retirement System automatically puts in 1% each paycheck, and they will match up to 4%. They completely match me in how much I put in. So I put in $140 a paycheck, they match me at $140. So that's $280 a paycheck that I'm putting towards TSP. I hope today's video will get you started in the right direction. Like I said, TSP is on your own to investigate and research. This is just to get you started and see the potential of TSP in the future. So today we spoke about my TSP, my fund plan. We did a future TSP calculation, and we went over the blended retirement system matching contributions. In this video, if I brought you guys new information, if you liked what you heard, if you think you gained from it, please share with your friends, share with your fellow military member so they can also learn from this video. If you have any questions, please post down below. It'd be awesome to hear anything you guys have to say about TSP, or even tell me about your TSP plan. And also, I'm on Facebook at Cotey Speaks Finance. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and remember, your subs matter. This is Cotey Speaks Finance. Feed the bear, feed the bull, and good luck investing.